We're a local managed services provider who have our offices here in Langley, British Columbia. So we provide help desk services, proactive maintenance, and security for small medium businesses. Businesses typically are between 20 and 50 end users. We have some bigger customers as well, and that's where MDM starts becoming important for our customers and for their field team. The services the customers are looking for MDM are typically location services. So where's their device? Can they find it in the field? Is it lost or is it stolen? If it's stolen or lost, we'd like to be able to wipe it or lock it, or also unlock it. Sometimes people forget their passwords. The other piece that we use MDM for is pushing out applications. So from a security standpoint, we control what applications are on each device, and this supports our customer. It's an extra thing that we add to our MSP services because it allows us to take over and support the entire technology for that customer. Not only do we support transportation and service-related industries, we also support education. We have a private school that has hundreds of students, and in their classes, they use iPads. So we use Hexnode to deploy and control what's going on the iPads. And we can lock them, we can find them, we can prevent students from using them or going to certain sites that they're not supposed to. So it's a great tool that we've deployed for this school, and they appreciate the added value that we bring to our IT solution. Recently, we invested in building a cybersecurity division on our team, and this is important because it lines up really well with Hexnode and an MDM. So it gives us the ability to provide security and structure for customers that have devices in the field. For example, if you have an iPad deployed and you don't know where it is and you don't know if it's been properly updated or if it's lost or stolen, you have a security breach. We know that many breaches now come through end users. So what are you doing to protect your business from these potential breaches? And we find that Hexnode is one way that it enhances our security offering. Hexnode has been an excellent product for Apex 365. It's an addition to our product portfolio, and I feel that it could be and bring value to any other MSP, as it allows you to oversee other technology within your customer base, apart from just their computers or network or servers. And it really is that endpoint and that end user experience that you can enhance your business offering. And I promote Hexnode. It's been a great product for us and look forward to continue to working with Hexnode going forward.